Sanibonani, ngiyaxolisa kakhulu, ngiyabonga Bizo ukuthi ungi-alethe ukuthi khona uPhiso oshodayo lapha. Ya, in between la bemuvela khona e-Hyde Park no-final part la eselotsholwa khona usisi, there is a part that is definitely missing. Ngicela ukuyenza quickly ngoba it looks like, I don't know ukuthi i-delete-ke kephi kanjani, nala angisayitholi ngisho nala kwi-laptop manje ukuthi ngiyishonisephi. So, usisi-ke bamuvele e-Hyde Park, mebefika e-Hyde Park, hayi impilo ibe mnandi ibe yinhle, and at some point usisi uzwa ubhuti ehleba bene-meeting nabangani bakhe e-lounge. That particular day wathi wehla ngamastebhiso wafika wezwa bekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi-ke kunama-parts, body parts wabantu amuvwayo. Wangazi ukuthi ama-body parts amuva asuswa kephi, asiwa kephi, yayihlangene nokuthi abantu bazothathwa bayobulawela kephi, kodwa ukubulawa as in bazohlinzwa. Uthi wabaleka waphinde emuva-ke endlini upstairs kwi-bedroom yakhe, akabange esafuna ukuzwa ukuthi indaba leyo kwakuwabantu ababetheni laba bazohlinzwa kanjani, futhi wangaphinde wayikhuluma wayibuza nokuyibuza. So izinsuku zahamba, mazihamba izinsuku kusondelela i-birthday yomntana. Angisho usibhudi njalo uma kwi-birthday yomntana wenza isiphihli sento yena. Uthi wabuza usisi uthi hayibo, i-birthday yengane ngibona uthulile nje ungasho ukuthi sekusele like 2-3 weeks. Wambuza athi hayibo, ngibona nje kungenamnyakazo, you haven't sent me any decor, anything to choose, what is going to happen? Uthi athi hayi khululeka baby, there is a surprise for you that I have for you for i-birthday kaBoy, or uPrince, bambiza ngoPrince uBoy wakhona, for i-birthday kaPrince for that particular year. Uthi hayi ziqhubeke izinsuku zihambe-ke manje sekusele like 2 weeks before i-birthday yengane. Uthi kuthe kusele 2 weeks before i-birthday yengane, wabuya-ke ubhuti wazosho ukuthi hayi bekade ufuna ukuyenza ibe yi-surprise, but he didn't know how is he actually going to make it a surprise. Kodwa ucela ukuthi abuyele ekhaya e-KZN, angeke amenzele uPrince i-birthday ngalowo nyaka, kodwa into azoyenza ukuthi nge-birthday kaPrince ufuna ukulobola yena, and then ayihlanganise leyo celebration ibe into eyi-one. Kodwa ucela ukuspenda isikhathi noPrince, yena akagibele, uzomthengela amathikithi akhe ukuthi agibele ahambe aye e-KZN, wamnikeza nemali nayo yonke into, wathenga, wamnikeza imali as usual, wamplacela nama-order ko-Makro kephi, imswenko le, wabhukha namalokhunjana nama-makeup artist for ukuthi azofika phela ngaleli langa leli bekufanele vele alotsholwe ngalo, angithi. Uthi-ke ingane yasala kanjalo-ke kuyena, ukuthi yena wayewumuntu ozosala nengane ngoba eclaima ukuthi uma ngabe yena usisi sefika ekhaya kubo eMlazi uzoba busy, akafuni ukuthi aphazanyiswe ingane. So ufuna ukuthi abe free ukuthi alungiselele everything that is going to happen on Saturday, because remember it's going to be 2 celebrations now. Uyamlobola on that particular day, kwenziwa no wine ceremony, into zaseNigeria esingazazi ngalo lona lo suku, and then later on bese celebrate i-birthday kaPrince. So that is how-ke wagcina usisi esuka yedwa-ke manje le e-Hyde Park, ebuya yedwa ezeNatali ezolungiselela ini lesi siphihli sephathi ezokwenzeka on a Saturday, esi-include ukuthi uyalotsholwa, uNtontoni, i-birthday yengane nayo yonke leyo into leyo. So that is how agcina eshiya ingane le eGoli. So vele-ke uthi waye-comfortable ngokuyishiya ingane ngoba vele ingane phela iyamazi babayo, ijwayele babayo, futhi nje uthi nje they were very close to a point ukuthi babehleze bekhiphana, abamshiye ngesinye isikhathi bahambe iy'ndlela zabo, bathi they are going out, it's a guy's date, yena akasale engenankinga-ke nalowo ngoba phela vele umuntu uyayithanda ingane yakhe itotosa yabo, yenzela yonke into. So uthi nje she was quite comfortable ukuthi kushiya ingane, and knowing ukuthi kunezisebenzi la ezitatazelayo, ngithi nase-Hyde Park bafike omunye, bafike bafice omunye osizayo futhi nakhona. So yeah, that is how-ke ingane yagcina isala-ke kubhuti, njengoba sesiyibona ingane nje isisala unomphela ubhuti esengosuku lokulobola engasafiki, singasamazi ukuthi uphelelaphi. Kodwa-ke kusho ukuthi kuyacaca ukuthi inkulu into ayenze enganeni, noma inkulu vele into ayeyiplana, wayemtotosa njengeqanda all along, nje vele wayephezu kwamacebo ukuthi kahle is after isibeletho sakhe, or is after inzalo yakhe la ithola, because you remember ukuthi watatazela kanjani nangesikhathi kuthiwa kufanele makakhulelwe lo, ukuze izinto zihambe kahle. So yeah, I'm so sorry about that part. I don't know ukuthi sale kanjani, kodwa please don't forget to skip the adverts, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and send me your story time. Thank you.